fifth grade. Today we are going to learn about opinions and facts. We're going to focus on our standards, which is right here, about opinions and facts. So let's begin. What is a fact? A fact is something that has been proven to be correct. Remember, the word correct and fact, they go together because a fact is something that is correct. It cannot be a lie. It cannot be something that somebody thinks is happening or thinks is true. A fact is something that is correct. For instance, say, my name is Ayan and I am 25 years old. That's a fact. That means it's correct. Okay, let's look at our next part. Opinion. An opinion is a judgment that is formed by someone that is not a fact. I can say right now that my favorite color is blue. That's my own judgment. That is my opinion. It doesn't necessarily mean it's correct. Somebody else could be like, "Oh, my favorite color is pink." That's their opinion. That's their judgment. It doesn't necessarily mean they're wrong and their favorite color could not be pink. It just means that pink is their favorite color and that's their opinion. Now we're going to look at an example about facts and opinions. This is a writer's opinion. Dogs are better to have as pets because their lifespan is 10 to 12 years. That's the writer's opinion is right here. Dogs are better to have as pets. Some people may disagree and say, no, cats are better to have as pets or rabbits are better to have as pets. That's their opinion. But with this sentence, dogs are better to have as pets, dogs' lifespan is 10 to 12 years. And this is a fact because this can be proven by data that has been done. Let's look at some examples of opinions. A lot of people like to play outside rather than staying indoors. That's an opinion. Some people might say, no, I like staying indoors or I like playing outside. That's an opinion. I have the best siblings in the whole wide world. That's another opinion. I can say that my siblings are the best in the world. Some people might say, nope, I don't agree. Your siblings are not so nice. But that's their opinion, and I have my opinion. Pizza is everyone's favorite food. Pizza is everyone's favorite food. You can't speak for everyone, so this doesn't necessarily mean it's correct. Everyone can say, oh, no, some people might like rice, some people might like pasta. Pizza cannot be everyone's favorite food. That's an opinion that you just because someone likes it doesn't mean everybody else likes it. Math is my favorite subject. That's my opinion. I like math, therefore it's my favorite subject. It doesn't necessarily mean somebody else is going to say math is their favorite subject. Science could be their favorite subject. Homework is not important. Some may agree, some may not, therefore it's an opinion. We'll move on to the facts after that. Because a fact cannot be argued with. It's something that is true and it's that. Homework is not important. So that's an opinion. My dog only likes to play with kids. He doesn't like adults. That's another opinion. That cannot be scientifically proven to be correct. Let's look at facts. Mall of America is 9.5 million square feet. That's a fact. It has been scientifically proven. That's another one. Rats multiply so quickly that in 28 months, 2 rats can have over 1 million descendants. That's a fact. The heart of a shrimp is located in its head. That's another fact. And that's a fact that I actually did not know about and I just recently learned. Giraffes have no vocal cords. It's been proven, therefore it's a fact. Kangaroos can't fart. That's a fact. That's another interesting fact that I didn't also know about. Let's move on to some facts or opinion. So I'm going to have you guys look at this first and try to tell me. Think about it. Jellyfish, as scientists call them, have no brain, heart, no bones. The earth is so beautiful. Fact or opinion? Children who eat their vegetables never get sick. Humans cannot breathe and swallow at the same time. Pigs cannot eat bananas. Okay, we're going to move on and try to figure out what the answers to these are. Jellyfish, as scientists call them, have no brain, heart, and no bones. That's a fact. The earth is so beautiful. That's an opinion. Some people might say, no, the earth is not beautiful because a lot of people throw trash outside. Children who eat their vegetables never get sick. Opinion. My 1-year-old son eats his vegetables and he still manages to get sick. Humans cannot breathe and swallow at the same time. That's a fact. A very interesting one. I tried that actually and I couldn't do it. Pigs don't like eating bananas. That's an opinion. I have not seen anywhere where it says pigs cannot eat bananas. It's not a fact. Okay, it's your turn. Now I want you guys to make a Google document a Google document. And then I want you guys to share this assignment with me so I can see it. Answer these questions whether it's a fact or an opinion. When you answer these questions, I just want you to write fact or opinion right next to the answers. And I will see whether it is correct or wrong. And I will correct it for you guys whether it's wrong, or if it's correct, I'll leave it at that. If it's wrong, then we'll discuss it in class. There's also another assignment that is going to be in your Google Classroom. I want you guys to look at this, answer these following questions, and turn it in. We will be doing a Kahoot activity as a class together. So here, I'm just going to give you guys a mini preview of what it is going to look like. So it's just going to ask you guys some questions and we're going to go over it in class, and I don't want to give too much away. But when we go back, we can see here. If you guys want the website, I can see that it shows me like an option, but this is the site if you guys want to log into it, and we will do it as a class.